minimum required credit score is only a 300 score. So you could get approved with a 300 score, but if they do approve you, you can only get approved for around a few $1,000s. So that's why I recommend you fix your credit, build up your credit, add trade lines, or use a CPN profile to apply for the loan. So this site is CPN friendly, guys. If you don't have a CPN, you can always buy one from a vendor. You can Google CPN packages, find someone that can make it for you, and all you gotta do is build it up. Use credit cards to build up the CPN profile, or just add trade lines. Once they report, you can apply for loans and credit cards. So this is just a little rundown. So 3 steps: fill out the form. So you're gonna click this button. If qualified, review and sign the documents. Get funds as soon as the next business day. So that's 24 hours. It will be deposited through your bank. All they need is your bank information, account and routing number. That's pretty easy, guys. So why choose Life Loans? Nationwide marketplace of lenders and lending partners are available and ready to qualify individuals. Fast delivery, funds are deposited next day. Data security, and all credit considered. Request a loan now regardless of your credit score. So it's 300 is the minimum requirement. So even with the 400, you could get approved for a loan. So these are the frequently asked questions. We all know what personal loans are. How much would the loan cost? So they make money based on the APR, so you won't be paying anything down. So it's 24 hours. What happens if you don't pay? Obviously, it's going to be reported as a charge-off, and it will hurt your credit. And you have to pay the loan back for them to remove it. So 24 hours for the loan. So let's show you guys right here. If you borrow $5,000 in a 24-month period, the APR is 6%, and the monthly payment is around $200. And so the full amount you have to pay back is $53.18. So that's with interest. So you can also get approved for a high APR with bad credit. So that means you're gonna pay about $58.18 instead. So I'm gonna give you guys the rundown on how to apply. So let's say you wanna borrow $10,000. So this you can pick anything really. You can do home improvement, for example. You can do poor credit. If you have a 9 to 5, you can do employed. So that's every other 2 weeks. So the average from 9 to 5, let's say you make $2,000 a month. Checking account, yes. Enter your zip code. I'll put like a random zip code. Your address. Apple Street. You can do rent. You can at least 1 to 2 years. Email address. Just put Gmail. Okay, so it won't matter if you have a car or not. So you can do, you're still making payments, not a service member. You can say none. So I'm gonna put Bob letter. What's the name I used last video? Let's see, so 9/09/1990. For example, phone number, put random phone number. Social Security, I just put in a RAM, so Social Security number. And view offers. So because I put in a fake info, it might not give me any offers, but if your credit is good, guys, you'll get approved for that $40,000 without a problem. So let's see if they actually give me anything with this fake info. Most likely not. Oh, okay. Okay, so you need to verify your credit score. I'm just gonna go back to the site. Okay. Enter the credit score. So let's say you have 500. View offers. Okay, so I put a 500 credit score in, and these are the places you can apply for with a 500 credit score. Okay. This is up to 35. These should be around $10,000. So yeah, so basically, you know, wherever they offer you, just apply again, and then you get that loan deposit to your account. So if you have a CPN, make sure you have a bank account open that's linked to the CPN. Same with your social, it has to be under your name. You can't use your friend's name or your family's name. It has to be, everything has to be linked to you. And most likely they could ask to verify your driver's license, but sometimes they don't ask that, but they will ask for proof of income, which isn't really hard. Some lenders will ask you to link your bank or just send the bank statements over. So that'll be it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and check out the links below for Tradelines and CPN packages.